Hi all, good morning. This is Bala from InfoSwell channel. Today we are going to see about Amazon Pay bill payment offers. So just go to Amazon homepage from your mobile app. You will find the reward section in the home page itself. Just click on rewards. You will find all these icons like scratch cards. You can unlock it through pay bills, send money, scan and pay, and add money to your Amazon. So there are a lot of offers. Here see quite interesting offer. If you send a money minimum 1 rupee, you will get a flat 20 cashback in your Amazon Pay wallet. And the EB bill get a flat 50 on minimum order of 300, and gas cylinder 50 cashback, and 300 rewards will be cashback for gas cylinder. And when you click view all, you will find all the offers. And municipal tax flat 50 cashback, piped cash, Google Play recharge code, DTH recharge, get 100% back up to 50, and water bill also there, flat 50. These are all quite new offers. If you see the icon new, previously we don't get these. Some maybe broadband or recharge, DTH, mobile, that was there, but I can newly see the gas cylinder book again, municipal tax, piped gas, water bill, and cable TV also available, flat 50 back, and broadband and landline bill, and postpaid bill for 50 cashback. And you can get the flight tickets 10% cashback up to 800, and metro recharge also available. Once you come back, you will find rewards for Prime. It is exclusively for Prime members to get these offers, to unlock it. Okay, and we will go to these bill payment and money transfer offers. And one more quite interesting offer here is credit card bill payment, flat 50 back on minimum order of 300. If you pay your credit card bills through Amazon Pay UPI, you will get the flat 50 back. So it is normally like you are paying bill for your credit card, but you are getting 50 as a cashback. So these are all piped cash we already saw. Apart from this, okay, if you want to see any food orders, go and click here. Here we have a Swiggy flat 30, 25 cashback, Domino's Super Daily for grocery items, Licious 10% cashback. And for entertainment we have a MPL, Dream 11, all these are there. And for the store offers, we will have lot of offers like Oppo 750 cashback if you purchase a mobile of 9,990. Samsung get up to 4,000 back on minimum order of 10,000. Prestige 5% cashback. Amazon devices, Big Bazaar and Fresh Heritage Fresh. And about health and wellness, we have a Practo app, Pharma Easy, 1mg Pharma for all medical related thing. One more new service like Urban Clap Company, you will get 150 back cashback for minimum order of 500. For shopping, you will get footwear, watches, bags, wallet, power tools. These are all shopping offers. And zoom in, you get a flat 200 cashback for minimum order of 399. And Uber, we have a 50 and 30% cashback. These are all travel offers like Redbus, Amazon Bus, flights, Oyo, all these are available. Hope you enjoy this video. Please, if any doubts, please give it in the comment section. Please share and subscribe. Please support me. Please share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. And I will show you one offer like how to get the 20 cashback from send money offer. Click on collect now button and you will find the send money button now. Once you done, just send it to your friends or relatives, minimum 1 rupees. You see offer is applied, 20 is back. There's a lot of offers. UPI scan 125 back,